Delivering heating and cooling equipment you can trust takes an uncompromising approach to quality in every detail at every step.
We want to be the best there is in the industry. These units can perform better, the quality expectations should be higher, and we want to lead that charge.
And we focus on the robustness of the design, partnering with the best suppliers, investing heavily in the manufacturing facilities, and also providing world-class support in the field.
The improvements we've invested in are far beyond where the rest of the industry is. Innovative, precision fabrication equipment ensures consistent quality and products that meet the highest energy efficiency and reliability standards.
To invest in some technology, really comparing ourselves against ourselves historically and comparing ourselves against our competitors, and then ultimately comparing ourselves against what the customers expected. Really all three is what have driven us better. On the list, this is called the Air Heart. This is the piece of equipment that makes the secondary heat exchanger. Without getting into a lot of detail, it's just a very fundamental part of what makes a 95% efficient furnace a 95% efficient furnace.
Well, if you make a product that's easy to build, inevitably you'll make a better quality product.
I came over from the automotive side. There's just a big difference from the expectations from a quality standpoint.
The best time to identify quality issues is at the design and prototype stage, before they become an issue.
This particular chamber is designed to allow us to replicate what the customer says is happening in the field. So if they tell us they have a foot of snow and that's the problem, we can do that. In the past, what would have happened is you build your prototype, you run it through all your testing here, you put it out in the field, and then you wait. Here, we don't have to wait anymore. There should be 100 fans. Each bank has 10 fans in it, and each bank has a unique set of motors. So these blowers run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All of these have already exceeded the life testing that's required. So this is the sound room. It's a reverberant sound room. No matter where you go inside this room, you'll get almost identical the sound volumes. The boom travels in 360 degrees around. When we test on the outdoor products, we're testing for the radiated sound, vibration that would eventually make its way into causing loose screws or broken tubing or any of those other adverse effects of vibration. Transit tester. So really, you would call it a shake table. And the equipment will bounce, an inch or so off the table. If we're doing a new product and we're trying to design it based on shipping, test it till it fails and figure out what failed. And then that gives us a weak point that we can focus on and we can redesign and we can try and make sure it withstands what we've put it through.
During production, every product is tested to make sure refrigeration systems are leak-free, equipment operates properly, and components fit precisely.
If there's a possibility that we have to be able to verify the component through a barcode scan, be able to pull that data up and understand down to the serial number of any issues that may occur. When we know that our product's ready to go out the door on the first day of launching our product, that we know that it meets our quality standards beyond the shadow of a doubt.
By level loading that factory and deciding to build inventory, we're able to keep a more stable workforce. We've seen it from a productivity standpoint, a safety standpoint, a quality standpoint. Every key metric that we measure the business in has improved dramatically in that time period.
Providing American quality you can trust takes people you can trust. We employ nearly 2,000 people in factories located in America's heartland.
A lot of things that matter to the overall experience that our customers have with our units. It's not just about a unit that performs, it's something that they can be proud of when they install it. That's all part of our focus of improving the experience that our customers are going to have with this product.
Innovative processes, rigorous testing, and craftsmen committed to quality. Everything it takes to deliver lasting performance, high efficiency, and reliability you can count on.
Quality is a #1 buying criteria for our distributors and for our dealers.
Through intelligent design, With cutting-edge materials and best-in-class processes, the Max Alloy Coil is built to deliver lasting performance, efficiency, and reliability you can count on. An important factor in a coil's reliability is inhibiting corrosion, and building the best products requires the best materials. We've utilized the latest technology in metallurgy and newly developed alloys to create an anti-corrosion system that outperforms other standard alloy aluminum coils. Superior alloy results in a superior product. During manufacturing, keeping copper particles from intimate contact with aluminum is critical in preventing corrosion. We employ dedicated equipment and processes that eliminate any copper to aluminum contamination to create a longer-lasting, more dependable coil.
One of the steps in fabricating a coil is the expansion process, and this is where the tubing is expanded to contact the fin. Now, processing aluminum is uniquely different than other alloys such as copper. Aluminum oxide is very abrasive, and we employ a variety of different lubricants to allow the bullet to glide through the tubing and retain the internal geometry, the enhancements, to make efficient heat transfer possible.
To achieve quality braze points, any lubricants used during the expansion process must be removed. Remaining lubricants on the tubes and fins could contaminate the braze joint and cause leaks. A thermal degreasing process is used to heat, incinerate, and vaporize the lubricants, leaving clean materials ready to form an optimal braze joint for a leak-free coil. Accurate coil circuiting impacts long-term coil performance and operation. Our new best-in-class testing procedure uses an automated vision system that is redundant to human checks to verify that coils are always circuited accurately. Every circuit is tested every time before brazing. Brazing aluminum is uniquely different from other alloys in that the temperature window between the alloy and the base metal is less than 100 degrees, requiring close control of brazing temperature for an effective joint. Our special braze oven has temperature data feedback in 4 unique zones to accurately control penetration of the alloy in the braze joint, creating a consistent joint for years of leak-free operation in the field. Once the individual slabs are brazed, the coil is ready for final assembly. Remaining circuiting is brazed with the use of special miniature dual torch tips. This process allows our technicians to control optimum temperature and position of heat for alloy penetration, enabling them to successfully and consistently form brazing in the midst of complicated circuiting. To eliminate the concern for microscopic leaks that would otherwise be caused by overheating the adjacent tubes, this technology concentrates the heat in a specific area for proper alloy penetration in the joint for strength and integrity.
Once we've completed all the brazing on this unit, we're going to check it in a chamber helium mass spectrometer. The reason we use a chamber is we want to be able to capture all the leaks that may exist on any of the braze joints. We do this to ensure leak-free operation throughout the life of this unit.
Building heating and cooling equipment you can trust requires a commitment to continuous improvement and an uncompromising approach to quality. Every detail of the Max Alloy Coil has been designed and manufactured to stand up to the most demanding environments and deliver trouble-free operation throughout the life cycle of the unit.
We know your reputation is on the line. That's why we make quality products you can depend on.